So good morning, guys. So today I don't want to take much of your time. As we can see, as we can see, gold. I talk about on my last stream what I expect from gold, and currently gold is at our two order blocks, our point of interest, where I'm looking to buy gold. So I'm currently it's there, and now it's all about just waiting for the confirmation. Now, on that other live video, I talked about if gold if gold can break this zone right here, then we can expect gold to be bullish to push to the upside, creating new all-time highs. As we can see, gold rejected from that level. Gold rejected from that level. Now it's currently at our 2 point of interest, our order blocks on the smaller time frames. So now it's all just about being patient, looking expecting a clear confirmation that we are going to push to the upside. So my expectation on gold is that we are still bullish. As we can see, we tapped into this order block right here is a daily order block. So and there's a daily order block right there, and then we also have a psychological level, which is the 4,000 level, which I also talked about, saying that that is our last line of defense. If we break this, then we can expect gold to be bearish, and then we can look for selling opportunities until 3,700 and 3,500. But at this point, we are still above. We are still above that zone, this daily order block, where this drop, then where this accumulation, and then price manipulate. Now we are still expecting a distribution to the upside. So let's quickly check the daily time frame. You can see we still have this for those that are trading CRT. For those that are trading CRT, you can see we have this is your accumulation. Now we have our manipulation. Now price is just yesterday price tapped into but didn't tap into our order block on the daily on the smaller time frame, and then it pushed up. Hopefully today we can still get a rejection to the upside, but we have to bear in mind that it's Friday and we need to be cautious trading on Fridays. It's all about being patient, waiting for your confirmation, and then you execute the plan. So 1 hour time frame. Let's go to a 15-minute time frame. I want to see something. If we have to look on this piece of structure, this structure right here on the 15-minute time frame, we can see we had this sweep right here, and then we had the impulsive move to the upside, breaking this previous structure, so giving us a break of structure. Now giving us this break of structure. Ever since after the break of structure, we had a correction back into that structure, and then with another push to the upside, giving us another break of structure. Now if we had to trade yesterday or the day before yesterday, you could have just focused on market structure. After a break of structure, wait for a retracement into a key zone or key level, and then you can take your buys to the upside. And then we hit this resistance right here. We hit this resistance, and then price just push to the downside. But that is, for me, is still just a retracement for us to get a better entry on gold. So it's all about being patient. So but if we today, if we hit this and we break above this, just expect a Monday's week to be bullish. After a break of structure, just wait for a retracement and liquidity sweep, and then a push to the upside. Push to the upside. 1H time frame. So guys, I talked about these zones in my previous video. This is just where price rejected multiple times, so giving us a clear indication that there's kind of strength at these zones. So as you can see, price hit multiple times on this zone, pushed, and then it retested again, and then it break another tap into that zone, and then a push to the upside. So currently, as we can see, we are rejecting from this order block right here. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. I want to see for confirmation. 1, 2, 3. So as we can see, we had this sweep right there. We had that sweep right there. Then there we had the chop, and now we have a clear break of structure to the upside on the 1 minute time frame. So this is an area on the 1 minute time frame, and there's also another area to look at to take a buy trade on gold. As we can see, we just let me quickly push this to the upside. On the side, as you can see, if you have to look at this stop loss right here, this is currently just on the 1 hour. If you have to look on this, I think it's the 1 to 7 risk reward trade. This one, let me go to the 15 minute to this. Yes, as you can see, this stop loss is quite big, so you can reduce it. Let's go back to the 1 minute. You can see now the risk reward. The stop loss is now decent. It's a decent stop loss current, this one. So can wait for price to give us a pullback into that 1 minute point of interest, and then we can look at trade. But as you can see, we also have to be cautious because we still have another order block just below this order block. So you're gonna just be cautious. If you tap into this and you get a rejection, then you can look to take a buy trade on gold. So 15. Yeah, but it's all you just have to be patient, guys. Don't force trades. You don't have to force trades, guys. Don't force trades. If you look on the on our time frame, so as you can see, we are getting a clear rejection from this zone that I thrown out. So it's Friday. Cautious. Trade your plan, guys. Trade your plan. And also, I also want you to guys to, if you like in the comment and tell me in favor if you're a seller or are you a buyer on gold, and let's discuss, guys. So it's all about communicating with one another. So I think I'm just gonna let so I'm still bullish, guys. I'm still firmly bullish on gold. Bum, bum. Guys, let me know if I should do a video on how a top-down analysis video on gold or any market, and then I can do that for you guys, giving you a clear top-down analysis from the daily to the 1 minute time frame. So yes, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. We will see each other in the afternoon. Peace.